A koi pond can be an amazing addition to a garden, and when it's landscaped in a way that fits with and incorporates the surrounding garden, the results are truly beautiful. Here you can see that we've allowed the water lilies to mound up against the edge of the pond, combining with the geraniums and sedum. This softens the edge of the pond. We have allowed the juniper to hang over the waterfall, again softening the edges, and its height on the berm helps to draw the eye upwards to the rest of the garden, helping to incorporate the pond into the landscape. The evergreens and a coral burst crabapple add to this effect and screen the pond from the bottom half of the garden so that the pond is not dominating the landscape. Additionally, when visitors enter the garden from the bottom, they are surprised to discover a pond. The cannas in the bog help to filter the water. The bridge joining the two areas of pond provides shade for the fish, in addition to the water lilies and a cave. When planning and designing your koi pond, you should choose a location that allows for adequate sunlight, around 4 to 6 hours daily, while providing some shade to prevent overheating and excessive algae growth. A healthy koi pond needs a minimum depth of 3 to 4 feet, with deeper areas 4 to 5 feet being preferable in colder climates for winter survival. Consider creating gentle curves and avoiding sharp corners for better water circulation and aesthetics. Koi ponds will need some kind of filtration, and filtration systems vary from the very simple to the very elaborate. Mechanical filtration traps debris like fish waste, leaves and other particulate matter using skimmers and pre-filters. Biological filtration uses beneficial bacteria in biofalls, filter media and moving bed filters to break down harmful ammonia and nitrites, ensuring good water quality. Bottom drain systems help to remove waste build-up at the bottom of the pond, reducing muck and simplifying maintenance. UV clarifiers are available, and these systems help to control green water caused by algae, improving water clarity. So cleaning the pond requires mainly cleaning the filters. Some people clean the rocks. I don't bother with that. I don't think it's necessary. In this pond, it's a fairly small pond. We have 3 places where the filters filter the water and can be cleaned. One is behind the waterfall there. We have some mats that filter the water. Behind me is a natural bog that also filters the water, but the main filter pads are housed down here where the main pump is. So I remove the skimmer. What that does is just catches water in this basket. And you can see this basket gets fairly dirty. Then underneath here are the filter mats. There's one, you can see that. It's fairly covered. So to get that off, which is mainly fish poop, we'll need power washer. So this is the power washer that I use. It's a fairly simple affair. It's a Sunjo, quite popular on Amazon. Had it for, this is my second one, but this one is probably now, I think, 3 or 4 years old. The most common question that visitors to our garden ask is, what do we do with the fish in winter? The answer is nothing, because while the koi don't actually hibernate, they enter a state of torpor, a period of activity that helps them conserve energy. This state is characterized by a slowed metabolism, reduced activity, and lower body temperature, allowing them to survive cold temperatures. We leave the main pump that powers the waterfall running all winter to help oxygenate the water. The surface of the pond freezes and the aerators force air to the surface, forming ice volcanoes. The garden winterscape can really be quite beautiful, with some wonderful patterns forming in the ice that look otherworldly. So occasionally you are going to need to get into the pond, and that's where these waders come in. You're also going to need a net. You're going to need a net sometimes to catch fish or to remove dead fish, unfortunately, but also to remove leaves and other stuff. And unfortunately, we have had fish die, both from natural causes and attack by predator, in our case, the great blue heron. We have also survived a minor pond disaster where we lost almost all of the water overnight. See the video above for details on how this happened. The pond, in its landscape, supports a thriving and diverse ecosystem, and our garden attracts a wide range of very different visitors. Our pond has also attracted many human visitors, many of whom have become our friends. With one side of our garden open to the street, we get many people coming to our gate to see the fish. And it gives us such great joy to invite them in and let their children feed the fish. The sound of running water in a diverse landscape has been shown to reduce stress and is so relaxing. Even the smell of the pond is pleasant and relaxing, with many people describing it as watermelon. Our pond, our garden, is our sanctuary, our oasis, providing serenity, peace, and a sense of well-being. So if you've enjoyed this video, why not subscribe for more content just like it? Thanks for watching. Bye.